Hey, it's Jade here. First, I just want to say this video might be the moment everything clicks for you. If you've been trying to break into YouTube but feel stuck because you don't like being on camera, don't have expensive gear, or aren't sure where to start, I get it. I've been there. But today, we're going to change that. I'll show you how to create a full faceless YouTube video and 5 viral-ready shorts in less than an hour. Here's the best part. The tools you'll use do most of the heavy lifting for you. This system is from Toolkit 6, the 13-tool creator stack, and it's completely beginner-friendly. Whether you're camera-shy, strapped for time, or just starting to explore YouTube, this method will help you get confident, creative, and profitable. No camera, no mic, no complicated editing software. You'll leave this video with a clear plan and the exact tools you need to get started. And if you follow along, everything you need is available in the free Toolkit 6 link at the bottom of this video. Before we get into the how, I want to start with the why. Why should you even consider faceless videos right now? Here's the reality. 2025 is the best time to start a faceless YouTube channel. Short-form video is exploding, AI tools are making content creation more accessible than ever, and YouTube is actively rewarding new creators through shorts traffic and algorithm boosts. When I started my first channel, I didn't have a stack like this. I wasted months trying to figure it out on my own. But once I discovered the faceless method, everything changed. I grew my channel to 10,000 subscribers in under 6 months, and the videos I created are still earning today. Faceless videos gave me freedom. I didn't need to worry about looking camera ready or investing in equipment. I could focus on creating value and consistency instead. And the impact was huge. I started monetizing my channel quickly, even as someone who didn't have a massive following. The best part? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. With the right tools, you can skip the trial and error phase, bypass all the overwhelm, and start seeing results faster than I did. Now, let's talk about the tools. These 3 tools from Toolkit 6 completely changed how I approach content creation. Together, they make creating faceless videos fast, easy, and fun. 1. Pictory. Here's where it all starts. Pictory takes your script, or even a blog post, and transforms it into a polished, professional video. Script to video transformation. Use text as your base, and Pictory does the rest, turning it into visual content with dynamic transitions, stock footage, and captions. Beginner-friendly editor. No editing experience required. The drag and drop timeline makes tweaking and customizing your video simple and intuitive. Templates for every niche. Whether you're creating explainer videos, reviews, or tutorials, Pictory has templates that fit your style. When I first used Pictory, I was blown away by how much time it saved. What used to take me an entire day could now be done in under 20 minutes. Testimonial. Maggie W. from Austin. TX. Shares. Pictory helped me launch a faceless channel in no time. My first video got over 3,000 views without me needing a camera or editing skills. 2. ElevenLabs. Next up, we tackle audio. A great video needs great sound, and ElevenLabs makes it effortless with its AI-powered voiceovers. Authentic, human-like voices. ElevenLabs creates voiceovers that sound natural and engaging with none of the robotic awkwardness you'd expect from AI. Customizable styles. Pick the tone, pacing, and personality that fits your brand. There's even multilingual support to broaden your reach. Time-saving automation. Forget microphones and endless retakes. With ElevenLabs, you simply type your script, and your audio is ready in seconds. This tool not only improved the quality of my videos, but it also freed me to focus on content instead of struggling with audio recordings. Testimonial. James T. from Chicago, IL, says, ElevenLabs made my videos sound like they came from a professional studio. I get compliments on my voiceovers every week. 3. Klap. Finally, we have Klap, the tool that transforms your long-form video into viral-ready shorts with almost no effort. Automatic highlight detection. Klap scans your video, finds the most engaging moments, and creates short clips that are perfect for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Custom captions and effects. Add catchy text overlays and graphics that command attention in the feed. Turn one video into 5 pieces of content. With Klap, you can maximize your content's reach without doubling your workload. For me, Klap was a turning point. It allowed me to double my engagement just by leveraging moments from my existing videos in a smarter way. Testimonial. Sophie R. from Seattle, WA says, Klap changed my entire workflow. One of my shorts hit 5,000 views its first week and doubled my traffic overnight. Okay, now that you know the tools, here's how you can make your first faceless YouTube video in just 1 hour. Write or repurpose a script. Start with a quick listicle or repurpose an existing blog post. Keep it simple and engaging. Use Pictory to create the video. Drop your script into Pictory. Customize visuals, transitions, and branding using their templates. Generate voiceover with ElevenLabs. Turn your script into a high-quality voiceover in minutes. Sync it with your Pictory video seamlessly. Repurpose with Klap. Upload your finished video to Klap. Extract 5+ viral-ready shorts that are formatted and captioned automatically. Bonus tip: consistency is key. Use this process weekly to create 1 YouTube video and 20+ short-form pieces of content across different platforms. This workflow isn't just doable, it's repeatable. Use it to grow your audience and build a sustainable content pipeline without burnout. When I first started creating videos, I felt stuck. I didn't have the equipment or expertise, and I quickly got overwhelmed by trial and error. I questioned whether I'd ever get the results I wanted. But everything changed when I made the switch to faceless content and discovered this stack. These tools allowed me to focus on creating value instead of obsessing over tech. I wasn't just saving time, I was building momentum. Now I use these tools every week to create videos that connect with people and grow my business. And if I can do it, so can you. If you've been looking for a way to start creating content without the stress, today is your day to take action. Download your free copy of Toolkit 6, the 13-tool creator stack using the link below. Inside, you'll find all 3 tools we talked about today, plus pre-written scripts, templates, and guides to make your workflow even easier. Which tool are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. I love hearing what sparks your first steps. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you're ready for the next video where we'll show you how to turn 1 video into over 20 pieces of content automatically. You've got this. You don't need expensive gear or years of experience to start seeing results. With the tools in this video, you can create content fast and build a YouTube channel that works for you.